Some plumbing jobs should always be left to a licensed professional, including gas line work, sewer line repairs, main water shutoff valve replacement, and anything involving your home's main water line connection to the city supply. These jobs carry serious safety risks and legal requirements that make them unsafe for regular homeowners to attempt. Gas line work is dangerous because even a tiny mistake can lead to a gas leak, and gas leaks can cause fires or explosions without much warning. Sewer line repairs are also tricky because they often require digging underground, and homeowners can accidentally hit other utility lines like electric or water lines without even knowing they are there. Something a lot of people do not realize is that many cities require a permit and inspection for sewer and water line work, so doing it yourself could mean redoing the entire job later just to pass inspection. Main shutoff valve replacement sounds simple, but if it is installed wrong, it can cause flooding throughout your entire house. Plumbers also go through years of training to understand water pressure, pipe materials, and local codes, which is knowledge that takes a long time to learn correctly. Even something like installing a water heater involves electrical or gas connections that can be extremely dangerous if not done exactly right. One common mistake homeowners make is trying to fix a small leak themselves with tape or glue, thinking it is a quick fix, when really it could be a sign of a bigger pipe problem hiding behind the wall. The tip here is to always check for water stains or soft spots nearby before assuming it is a simple fix. Another misconception is believing that all plumbing repairs require a permit, when in reality only certain major repairs do, so it helps to check with your local building department first. People also forget that mixing new and old pipe materials, like copper and plastic, without the right connectors can cause leaks over time, so always ask a professional which materials are safe to combine. If you need help with a project, search for trusted and affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Joe by Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.